Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to track your fitness progress with ChatGPT. But before we dive in, we've created a free step-by-step guide that you can download to easily follow along, click by click, as you set up your fitness goals, create workout plans, and more. Just click the link below. It's free and only takes a few seconds. Anyway, let's get started. All right, let's start by setting up your fitness goals. Having clear, realistic goals is crucial because they provide direction and motivation throughout your fitness journey. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your endurance, ChatGPT can help you define these goals based on your current fitness level and what you want to achieve. Now, let's go ahead and set a goal together. Suppose your aim is to, for example, lose 10 pounds in 3 months. You can ask ChatGPT with a prompt right here that I put together, for instance, to help you craft a goal that's not only realistic, but also broken down into manageable milestones. But it all depends on which advice or any information that ChatGPT would generate for us. Let's see. Now that we've sent the prompt, ChatGPT will take into account your desired outcome and time frame to create a goal that's tailored to your needs. It might suggest breaking the goal into smaller weekly targets, making it easier to stay on track and see consistent progress. As you can see right here, there's quite a list of advices right away. See? As you can see right here, there are manageable steps like define your starting point, down to design a weekly workout schedule, going down here, consider recovery and rest. So, yeah, as you can see, there's a follow up question. It's like, would you like to go into more detail on any of these steps or just the plan based on specific preferences? Well, if this would pop up, it depends on you whether you would like to go further detail with these manageable steps, or you could just adjust the plan. It's up to you. So, yeah, by using ChatGPT, you're not just setting a goal, but also laying down a plan that can adapt to your progress and keeping you motivated. ChatGPT right here will provide you with a step by step breakdown, as you can see right here. So, ensuring that each milestone is within reach, making your fitness journey not just achievable, my apologies for that, achievable, but also rewarding. See? Now that we have our fitness goals in place, it's time to turn those goals into action by creating a workout plan. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience, having a structured plan is essential to making consistent progress. ChatGPT, once again, can help you design a workout plan that fits your current fitness level, your goals, and your schedule. So let's dive in and create a workout plan together. So, for example, if you're a beginner looking to improve your cardiovascular health and build some muscle, ChatGPT can generate a balanced plan that includes the right mix of exercises. So, here's the prompt that I put together right here. Just as I exactly stated earlier, here it is. Now, let's send this off. We've just sent the prompt, and ChatGPT right now is working to create a workout plan tailored specifically to a beginner's needs. The plan it generates will likely include a combination of cardio, strength training, and maybe even some flexibility exercises, all designed to help you achieve your goals safely and effectively. The plan it creates will not only be aligned with your fitness goals, but will also be manageable, ensuring that you can stick with it and gradually increase the intensity as you improve. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys! Now that you have your workout plan in place, the next step is to keep track of your daily progress. Consistently monitoring your workouts is essential for staying on track and ensuring you're making progress toward your fitness goals. Tracking your progress not only keeps you accountable, but also helps you identify patterns and make necessary adjustments to your plan. So, for example, here's my prompt right here. So, I've just asked ChatGPT with this for some tips on how to track my fitness progress and maintain motivation. So let's take a look at what it suggests and how you can apply these strategies to your own routine. We've just sent the prompt, and ChatGPT is now setting up a system for you to easily log and monitor your workouts. This system might involve using a journal, just for instance, or setting your log system, or analyze progress over time, use visual tools like graphs and charts, or progress photos and such. Yeah, so you'll be able to track key metrics like your workout type, duration, and intensity, making it easier to see how you're progressing over time. So let's look at it once more. There's key metrics, as I said. It can also do volume, distance and speed, personal records, consistency. Then scroll up once again. There's tracking method, just like I said here. Fitness journal, spreadsheet, digital apps, and yeah, these are quite helpful, I must say, ChatGPT. Thanks. After you've been consistently following your workout plan and tracking your progress, it's crucial to take a step back and analyze the results. Fitness isn't a one size fits all journey. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to understand what's working well and what might need to change to keep you moving forward. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us analyze our workout data from the past month and suggest any necessary adjustments. So first, let me pull up a mock workout data, for instance. Let me go right here, attach file. You can either choose this one, or this one. I'll take it from my computer. Let me just pull it out like so. Here it is. So here's a accompanied prompt to go along with this. Here we go. This analysis will ensure that we've continually optimizing our plan to achieve the best possible results. And now, let's send this over. So, now that we've sent the prompt, ChatGPT is reviewing your workout data, looking for trends and areas where you might need to make changes, for instance. It could recommend adjustments like increasing the intensity of certain exercises, adding new types of workouts, or even modifying your goals to keep things challenging yet achievable. So let's see what ChatGPT this time would recommend it for us. So as you can see, here are the following observations and suggestions. Let's say cardio workouts, say are consistent. It says you've incorporated rest days every week, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, quite positive feedback, I must say. And there are suggestions for improvements right here, like enhanced flexibility routines, vary strength training focus, and so on and so forth. And so with ChatGPT, you can dive deep into your workout data, identifying patterns of success in areas that might need a little tweaking. Well, this continuous feedback loop helps you refine your approach, ensuring that your workouts remain effective and aligned with your evolving fitness level. And there you have it. With ChatGPT, tracking your fitness progress has never been easier. By setting clear goals, creating a personalized workout plan, logging your daily efforts, and analyzing your results, you're well on your way to achieving your fitness aspirations.